Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into something special for all you South Florida Bulls fans out there. We've got the South Florida Bulls Garden Banner Flag, and let me tell you, this is hands down the best USF flag you can find on the market. Now, if you're a die-hard supporter of the South Florida Bulls, you know the importance of representing your team spirit. Whether it's for game days, homecomings, or just showing your pride year-round, this flag is perfect for any occasion. Let's jump right into why this flag stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about the design. This flag measures 13 inches by 18 inches, featuring a top pole sleeve that makes it easy to hang from a garden flag stand or mini banner pole. It's made from double-sided 2-ply 100% polyester with a sewn-in liner and double-stitched perimeter sewing, ensuring durability and longevity. The USF Bulls logos are screen-printed, so they're not only vibrant but also visible and readable correctly from both sides. Whether you're displaying it in your garden, window, front entrance, or even as a wall banner indoors, it's sure to catch attention. What sets this flag apart are its quality and versatility. It's officially licensed and approved by the university, so you're getting the authentic USF Bulls look. Plus, being made from polyester ensures it can withstand outdoor elements without fading or fraying, making it perfect for year-round use. And hey, if you're looking to gift something special to a fellow Bulls fan, this flag is definitely giftable. It's a great way to share that team pride and celebrate your love for the Bulls. Wondering where you can use this flag? Well, aside from your garden, it's perfect for tailgating parties, decorating your dorm room, or even hanging it in your office to showcase your team spirit. Its versatility makes it a fantastic addition to any Bulls fan's collection. Now, there are other flags out there, but none quite match the quality and authenticity of the South Florida Bulls Garden Banner Flag. Compared to similar items, this one stands out not just for its design but also for its durability and licensed authenticity. Wrapping it all up, if you're looking for a high-quality flag that proudly represents your allegiance to the South Florida Bulls, look no further. The South Florida Bulls Garden Banner Flag is an excellent choice for any fan. With its durable construction, vibrant colors, and official licensing, it's a must-have for game days and beyond. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews on the latest products. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed with Product Critique. Take care.